API testing tool SoapUI. It is open source web service testing application. Installation setup on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Explain. Browser open. Google search box lo enter SoapUI download. Enter key press. SoapUI.org downloads. Download REST and SOAP automated API testing tool. First link. Click. SoapUI official web page. Complete display. Download the best API testing tool for your needs. Section 2 options display. First one ready API. Second one SoapUI. Second one download SoapUI button. Click. Download section లో SoapUI x64 latest version 5.9.1.exe setup file downloading process start. File size 182 MB. Wait and here downloading process completing. Completed downloading process. Next installation setup. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder లో SoapUI exe executable file display. Select mouse double click. Install wizard window process start. SoapUI window లో first button yes click. Download folder minimize. Welcome to the SoapUI latest version 5.9.1 setup wizard window లో first button next click. Select destination directory. SoapUI application related files installation path display. Local disk C program files newly created folder. Smart beat subfolder SoapUI. Required disk space 302 MB. Second button next click. Select components. Which components should be installed? First one SoapUI default set and related tutorials. Two options tick mark set. Second button next click. Tutorial location default path display in box. First button next click. Select start menu folder. Start menu folder name smart beat subfolder SoapUI. Second button next click. Select additional task SoapUI easy access purpose necessary tick mark set unnecessary tick mark remove. Second button next click. Installing. Please wait while setup install SoapUI on your computer. Files extracting process start. Completing the SoapUI setup wizard. Desktop shortcut SoapUI display. Middle section లో two options. First one option left side unnecessary tick mark remove. Run SoapUI testing tool. Present application run. Second option tick mark set. Finish button click. SoapUI application launch. Wait and here few seconds. Present unnecessary close button click. SoapUI window maximize. Editor window display. Left side first one new Soap project. Soap API testing project test first one select and second one new REST projects. REST API test project second one click. Second section లో get started with SoapUI open source. First one option REST API sample project click. Minimize. First one new Soap project click. Project related name enter the box. Top section లో first one empty click. Overview project related. Second one test suite. Third one fourth one security scan defaults. Left side navigator project one select mouse right click. New Soap mock service select. OK click.